back again with another video. Man, I'm sorry. These nuggets are really making me thirsty. So anyways, I am back with another video. And you guys are going to be pretty surprised to see what I came up with. And Mom, if you're watching this, I know you're going to say this is gross. So, with all that said, let's jump into it. I am going to dip this in ranch and put cotton candy on it. I know, I've lost my mind. But, curious to know how they taste together. Alright, try to open it up as best I can. You guys can see this is the cotton candy. It's really colorful. Excuse me. Alright. I dipped it in ranch. Now for the fun part. Now for the cotton candy part. Got a little bit of cotton candy. Now I'm just going to place it on. Doesn't that look appetizing, guys? A cotton candy ranch chicken nugget. Dive in, shall we? Oh, that's disgusting. Oh. Okay, not one of the better combinations I did. Okay, that was awful. I should have put the ranch on there. But here's a spicy nugget. So anyways, I'm just gonna eat the cotton candy now. Okay, that was a really bad combination. That was nasty. I don't recommend putting ranch or cotton candy on a chicken nugget. That was not good. That was really gross. Anyways, I was just curious to know what they would taste like together. Cotton candy I used. Ooh. These spicy nuggets will really open up your sinuses. Anyway, that was my very weird combination to try. If you enjoyed this type of video, please leave me a comment down below of what kind of weird combinations you want to see next. Excuse me. Ooh, that was spicy. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with another video. Bye!